In this episode of Aviation This Week, Air Canada airframe agreements with AAR and Avianor. Then Gamma releases year-end aircraft numbers, and ANA commits to more Dreamliners. Register today for the upcoming Aerial Firefighting Conference hosted by Wings and Helicopters, taking place March 31st, 2020 at Abbotsford International Airport in partnership with Airside Event Spaces. Air Canada on February 24th announced it has entered into letters of intent with each of AAR Aircraft Services and Avianor, Inc. regarding long-term agreements for airframe maintenance. The proposed 10-year agreements with the two companies, based in Trois-Rivières and Mirabel, Quebec, respectively, are subject to completion of the flag carrier's planned merger with Transit AT. For AAR, this would include seeing Airbus A330 maintenance work for both Air Canada and Air Transit, as well as work on the A320 family, including the all-new A320neo aircraft. Avianor would establish a new centre of excellence for Air Canada's new Airbus A220 fleet in Mirabel, which would be adjacent to Airbus's manufacturing facilities. The General Aviation Manufacturers Association, GAMA, on February 19th, presented its 2019 year-end aircraft billing and shipment numbers. In 2019, aircraft deliveries reached a value of $26.8 billion US, according to the association, a modest increase when compared to $24.3 billion US in 2018. The number of piston airplane deliveries experienced the largest growth among the segments at 16.4%. The piston engine airplane market in North America accounted for 66.4% of overall shipments in 2019. Business jet deliveries were at their highest level since 2009, while turboprop and helicopter deliveries decreased. The North American market accounted for 67.1% of business jet deliveries, with second place going to Europe at 14.3%. Japanese airline group ANA Holdings on February 25th announced a plan to acquire up to 20 more Boeing 787 Dreamliners, which would be powered by GE NX-1B engines. This would include 11 787-10s, 1 787-9, and options for 5 787-9s, valued at more than $5 billion US at list prices. The airline also plans to acquire 3 new 787-9 airplanes from Atlantis Aviation. Once the agreements are finalized, it will be ANA's 6th order for the Dreamliner, bringing its overall 787 order book to more than 100 airplanes. ANA will use the 787-10s to replace previous domestic 777 models slated for retirement. ANA became the global launch customer of the 787 Dreamliner when it placed its initial order in 2004. ANA is also the launch customer group for Boeing's new 777X.